Kamusta yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and as a lot of you have requested, I've finally made the Ben 23 Omnitrix, which, unlike the previous Bens and watches I made, is the first ever DIY Omnitrix in this channel with a mechanism that requires you to push a button for the alien interface to pop up. And just like all the crafts in this channel, it's super easy to make, especially that I'm providing a free template for this creation. I worked so hard to come up and simplify the mechanism of this watch and create the free template for you all, so if you want to show your appreciation, I'd really love that. Feel free to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and click the bell icon to join the Yo Fam. Now before we get into the video, massive shout out to these creative Yo Fam for sharing with us their DIY creations. You know that I feel really happy whenever you guys make crafts from this channel, so thank you so much for sharing your creations. With all of those said, let's begin crafting. To get the free template, follow the instruction in the description. Cut out all the pieces in the template and glue them to a thin cardboard. For this craft, I'm using an illustration board which is 1mm thick. If you don't have this kind of cardboard, you can use a cereal box, the covers of your old notebook, or anything that is thin cardboard. Assemble these pieces like so to make the upper part of the watch. This is where the mechanism will reside, so make sure that this section is durable. You can do that by applying enough super glue. Grab this piece and place it onto this area. The marked outlines will indicate where the following pieces should be glued on. Get a toothpick and glue it to this piece like so. Be sure to apply enough super glue to make it durable. Assemble these two to make a cylinder. Glue it on top of these pieces. Make sure that the holes in the center align. Then, glue this piece just as shown. Before sticking this side, insert this piece first and tape its end for the meantime to prevent it from slipping away. Cut out pieces of cardboard and glue them to cover these places. After that, grab a couple of toothpicks with each tip cut out like so. Stick these pieces just as shown. After making a hole, roll a piece of paper and glue it around the toothpick. This tiny piece and glue it to the tip of the stick. This tiny bit prevents this piece from popping up with the help of the button piece. When the button is pushed on the other hand, it releases this piece as the rubber band pushes it upward. Pretty simple, right? Now let's move on to assembling the bottom part of the watch strap. Increase the durability of the button by inserting this piece. Once that's done, I then painted these pieces. After the paint dried, I cut out these pieces from EVA foam and stick them onto the watch strap. To make this piece, I simply glued the ends of this shape and painted it with gold. For the tubes, I rolled pieces of EVA foam and painted them with light blue. Before gluing the tubes on the other side, glue Velcro onto these areas of the watch strap. Once that's done, proceed to making the alien interface. For the buttons, I used hot glue and painted them blue. Grab this ring piece and insert it around the alien interface. Place this in the center and finally, glue the ring piece to the cylinder. As you guys have witnessed, it was pretty easy to make this DIY Ben 23 Omnitrix, especially with the free template, so I hope that you guys will enjoy crafting your own alien watch as I also had fun making mine. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share it, and again, subscribe to the channel, click the thumbs up, and join the notification squad if you still haven't. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe guys, and I hope to see you in the next video.